Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this lemon cake together. So I have my egg here, so I use 2 eggs for this recipe. So I'm breaking the egg into the bowl. So the next thing I will add my sugar. The next thing I will add my lemon zest. So I'm just scraping it now into the bowl as well. So when I finish with that, I will continue mixing everything together. Guys, keep on watching the process. Now I'm just mixing everything together. When I'm done with mixing, I will add my oil. So the next thing is oil. I just add my oil on the mixing bowl also. Together, so the next thing I add my milk into the mixing bowl as well. So mix everything together before we add the flour. So the next thing I will add my baking powder, and after then I will stiff my flour into the mixing bowl. Now I'm going to stiff my flour. When I'm done with that, I will just mix everything together. Guys, if you are watching me till this moment, guys, it means you are enjoying the video. Of course you are enjoying it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. So now I'm going to mix everything together until it is well combined. Let's continue the process. Just keep on watching. I am done with the mixing, so I'm going to put some oil into the pan. Just rub the oil into the pan. Why doing this is for the cake don't to stick into the pan. I just put some oil, rub it everywhere, and I will pour the cake inside the pan. When I'm done pouring the cake into the pan, so I will put it in the oven for 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Our cake is ready, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.